For a bird dog, we're gonna start kneeling on all fours, 90 degrees at the wrist, the shoulders, the hips, the knees, and the ankles. We're gonna engage the core to a flat spine, press our hands into the mat to create tension in the shoulders, and squeeze our core tight to hold us stable. Left hand is gonna extend. Right leg is going to extend straight to the body. When we raise our leg, we only raise as high as we can keep the belly pulled in tight. If you're raising too far that you're dropping your belly, it's too high. Do 2 just like that, and if you feel comfortable with the motion, you're going to do them together. That's one side, opposite side.